Welcome to Crypto Blush. This is our subsidiary of Ridhivej Finance. SUI is the one of the coin. This is available on the most of the exchanges internationally and nationally. So currently this coin is having the price is 233 INR. So suppose this coin goes up, it can goes around 400 rupees in the next 6 months to 1 year, according to Crypto Blush stat. Dear our YouTube audience, are you think that whatever we are talking is correct? Whatever we are say, are stat really worth for all of you, or what is a daydreaming kind of stat we are giving in case of Crypto Blush? Because as far as I know, SUI is really a large market, larger stakeholder across the different countries, I guess. So SUI is really yeah, I'm sorry, I have catch up this chart from the Coin Market Cap. And yes, so are you using Coin Market Cap exchange? Let me know it in the on into the YouTube comment. SUI has, suppose it goes up, it can touch up to 400. Suppose it goes down, it can touch up to 200 INR. So right now I'm talking about INR pricing over here, because Crypto Blush we have not put it on the USD, USDT or TR or ETHER or BNB transformation. So we are only talking about INR, and the coin market cap has literally has given a good amount of chart analysis. I mean, the way I'm copying everything from the SUI has really worked. So SUI has literally means I can see 233 can goes 400. So Crypto Blush stat is really worth for you. Suppose it goes down, it can touch around 200. So I see this is a positive node over here. It can goes up trending one rather than the down trending one. So do you have any idea what is your point of view? Let me know into the comments. And you can watch our YouTube analysis. Watch on our Ridhivej Finance Analysis for more exchange detail. I mean, we are doing the analysis on Nasdaq and hopefully SUI right now. Have you how many number of our user has really not user subscriber, but how many number of our crypto audience has really invested in this kind of coin market cap or SUI or Chainlink or Cardano or hyper liquid you have invested? Let me know it into the comments. And how many coin are you holding, and what is way you have did it. I mean, in India, number of times this ban, that ban. So few years back, crypto was banned in India, as far as I know it. Right now, you can access it, but the thing is that it's a very I mean, it's like a taxable stuff. So if you have invested, let me know it. Yeah, Indian market has big this and that, but only I believe it's a data theft happen around India a lot, as comparing to the real investment in the cryptocurrency. Do you believe in us? Have you faced in cyber attack when you have invested in cryptocurrencies? Have you gone through this sort of phases? Let me know it into the comments. Have a great day. Happy Sunday. Enjoy your holiday with the Crypto Blush. Blush it with your loved one. Thank you. Bye, Crypto Blush. Have a great day. Bye bye.